Hello, friends. Today we are going to talk about healthcare. In modern times, awareness of health and healthcare are both important topics in our day to day lives. But are we really aware, or do we have all the information to make the right choice? Do we opt for natural treatments, or do we opt for the so called modern treatment options? Of course, each of these therapies, each of these approaches have their own pros and cons, but an informed decision will always be useful. I am Dr. Mayank Shah from Freedom Eye Clinics, and we treat thousands of patients through a special approach called NOM. NOM is Nature's Original Medicine. This term is relatively new, but it is not new in the medical science. Since thousands of years, the medical approach was based on nature's principles. Healing was based on natural laws of eliminating illness. What is NOM? NOM is a term, is an umbrella which covers 4 categories of therapies. The first category is called natural medicine, and by natural medicine we mean all medicines which are naturally active or which have natural energies in them. They are also called energy medicine in some context. These include herbal medicine, homeopathy, tissue salts, flower remedies, etc. The second category of NOM is vital energy therapies. That means you have therapies which are utilized to move your vital energy. This approach doesn't need medicine, it is complete in itself. The examples of this category are acupuncture, reflexology, etc. The third category is a special category where we have mind therapy, we have special mind related approaches, etc. etc. And it is a well known fact that mind is the root cause of many illnesses. So we treat the mind to heal the body. And the fourth category is labeled as naturopathic categories, where we have healing diets, healing exercises, healthy lifestyles, etc. NOM is an umbrella where all these therapies are holistically used to heal any illness. Now you may ask a question: in which illnesses is NOM useful? In fact, NOM is used in almost every kind of health condition. You can use it for day-to-day health issues. You can use it for aesthetic issues like obesity, skin beauty, etc. You can use it to help heal chronic illnesses. And then you can use it for a lot of special conditions like pain management, difficult conditions like diabetes, malignancies, etc., etc. And last but not the least is NOM is also used to heal the mind and mind linked illnesses. The beauty of NOM is that it doesn't need any harsh treatments. It doesn't need any chemical drugging. It doesn't need lifelong medication. And by its philosophy, by its principles, it aims to eliminate illness from its roots. So, friends, NOM is an interesting and a very powerful approach when it comes to handling any kind of health condition. Now, the next logical question is, how do you place NOM with other therapies? Well, I would give you a very simple explanation. If you have any kind of health concern, your first approach or your first choice must be NOM. This is the first line of defense, your first line of action to correct and heal yourself. But suppose if the illness is beyond routine treatments, then there is the added second line of treatment, the advanced therapies. Under advanced therapies, you have advanced NOM of different forms, and also there is a place for surgery, there is a place for critical medicine, and a place for modern medicine, which I prefer to call it as emergency medicine. So, if we look at this chart, it shows us very clearly how we should approach healthcare. Because in modern times, it is very, very obvious that shortcut treatments are not the answer. Nobody likes to be on drugs for life. It's not only about likes, but it is also about the consequences of long-term drugging with chemical agents. So, with all these points in mind, we have given NOM a proper positioning, a proper place in the healthcare arena. You can choose to include NOM in your day-to-day healthcare approach. But remember, it does not exclude the other approaches, but it gives you a holistic view, a bigger view of what you should do, when you should do, and how you should do healthcare. Please understand NOM more clearly. You will find a lot of information on this subject on our website www.freedomeyeclinics.com. And if you have any further queries, if you have difficulty in healing any chronic illness, please consider this as part of your treatment, if not the whole treatment. And I'm sure you'll be happy with your choice. Thank you.